we are in Costco. It's her first time.
Yeah.
Weirdo.
It's amazing.
And oh my god, yeah. And she fell on one of those metal thingies.
It hurts. It very much hurts.
And then we
Found this cute guy in a blue shirt like that with the black hat.
well, not like this. That would be weird if a guy was wearing this shirt. We're like,
Well,
what?
it was that color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he was wearing a black hat, and we followed him.
Yeah.
I know it's kind of creepy, but it was fun. And then he was
We're
like,
stalking him, but we keep losing track of him.
I know, it's not as easy as it sounds. It's really not.
See what happens. Very bright blue. See him walking away. See him walking away. He's walking out the door.
Some lemons and, you know, asparagus. Got some pistachios there too, you know.
I see a bottle of wine.
Woo, get drunk now.
That's
Back on our couch after our stuffy thing. And yeah, to Taylor. Taylor, turn the camera around. Turn it around.
He was stoned.
Yeah, he whenever he looked at us, he was like, "Oh, stoner." Okay, yeah. So
I like Costco. No, I don't. I keep hurting myself. This couch is evil. Evil.
so yeah, that was Taylor talking about some evil couches. No. Yeah. So. Taylor, you're a jerk. Okay, now we're on a different couch. It is not as soft as the other couch. We like jumped on it and I think I broke my finger. Taylor sat on it. It did not feel very good. Okay, yeah, Taylor.
I'm not a fat ass. It's just a size 3, that's all.
I never said that, Taylor.
Yes, this couch is not as soft as the other one.
It's all stiff, y'all. Like,
I miss my old couch.
look, Taylor, if you miss the old couch, watch. Come on. Oh, there it is. Oh my god. Look at some random people passing by. Yep. This old guy looking at some books. And to Taylor.
We're on each other's side.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know it was that important. There, see? Dirt. Ow. Fudge.
Good fudge monkeys.
Don't get stabbed.
If they're good fudge monkeys.
Hell yeah.
Want to see our dance?
We're walking out of Costco. So he missed the bleach on the bar. And I got the guy. Guys, we're gonna get kicked out of the hospital. Go, Taylor, go! You can come back, you know.
Oh, I can?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa, 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 Taylor, whoa!